Hey guys! Today we'll learn how to stop WhatsApp when mobile data is on. So if you want to go ahead and stop the WhatsApp application from running, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step, even if you have mobile data on. So guys, what we need to basically do, if we want to go ahead and stop the WhatsApp application, is to go ahead and launch the settings application. So if you do have this option over here, all we need to do is to search for the WhatsApp application, and then I want you guys to proceed with, basically, turning off each and every one of these settings. So turn off Face ID, camera, microphone, contacts, and location as well. That's gonna prompt the app to not necessarily run properly, and will also stop WhatsApp even if mobile data is on. Now, one more thing that we could also do is to go ahead and turn on airplane mode as we are using WhatsApp. And that's basically gonna cut off all connections to the WhatsApp application from you and with the internet. Cause that's how you guys could stop the WhatsApp application even if mobile data is on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.